Hey everyone. So I wanted to kick off a bit of an update as to where we are from a 90 Days of DevOps point of view. Firstly, there's three things I want to talk about today. One is this new website. Now, it is only applicable to our 2022 at the moment, but you can see here that it just reads a little bit nicer than being in the GitHub repo. We can go through all of the different days here and see everything from that perspective. If we go into 2022, you can see here that we have all of our days. We can jump into that. We see all the images. Okay, all good stuff. 2023, not quite there yet in terms of the website, but it's coming. I just wanted to highlight that. So this is 90daysofdevops.com. It's all written in Markdown. You can go and look at the repo and you'll see everything up here, which then brings me on to the 2023 edition. So if we go and look here, we have a couple of areas that we're just finishing off basically, and then I need to put a summary section together down the bottom here to finish things off and basically thank everyone that's participated in this, be it through community PRs, making sure that people are spelling things and grammatically putting things together correctly. But a big thank you to this list of people who have come in and been the SME in that particular area and provided a bit of a broader picture about their topic, some options in terms of what software is available to use here, and then got into some hands-on scenarios, which is a plan for me later on this year to go through some of these areas, because it's not me writing it. I think it would be useful to run through both 2022 and this, and look at actually walk through some of the scenarios, maybe a video for each of these topics. And then finally, what I want to just jump back is the Discord quite organically has just grown. You can see here we've got 1,147 members, and if you want to join, you can join either via this link or on the web page. If I go back to the home page, you're going to see the same thing here. And what this will do is if you're using Discord, this is going to bounce you into the 90 Days of DevOps Discord. And important to note here, so we have a general channel where general discussions and chat, and you can see here that I ask a few questions. My biggest ask to the community is come on in, share your experiences, create conversation. Let's help each other. The whole point of 90 Days of DevOps was to provide a foundational level of knowledge for different areas of DevOps, but I'm not the de facto DevOps person by any stretch. In fact, this all started as me wanting to fill some gaps myself. So there's much smarter people out there in the community that can offer this. Just some key important parts of this Discord though. So we have GitHub Alerts, which is pretty much as you can imagine. It's going to tell you everything that's going on from a GitHub point of view within that repository. So new stars that are added, PRs that are added, etc. A welcome. So this is where you'll land first and foremost. And then we've got these two broader channels. So we have 90 Days of DevOps, which is our 2022 topic list. So you can see here we've got DevOps, the big picture, language, Linux, networking. So these are a bit more refined. So general is great for starting a generic conversation and having that opening conversation, whereas these are a little bit more pinpoint onto the topic that you want to cover. So things like Git, things like cloud. And then going down into 90 Days of DevSecOps, which is the 2023 edition, as you can see here, we've got a channel for each of those. All of the majority of the contributors, the SMEs that we have, are also in the in Discord, so they'll be able to answer your questions there. As much as I want this to be a community where everyone can help each other and learn from that. And as always, from a repository point of view, we're open to pull requests, even if it is a spelling mistake. Everything, if it helps one person and it's useful, just get into grips with how that works. We have a group of people that are that have massively contributed to this project. It's not just about me anymore on this. Even if it wasn't at the start, we have 93 contributors, as you can see, and I would love to see more of you helping out, and adding resources is a great way of being able to provide some stuff. Feedback is important. I have no idea what 2024 and 90 Days of DevOps looks like. I actually have a few ideas, but it's a big ask, and I want to know whether it seems like it's growing, so I want to make sure that it continues to be a useful resource for everyone. So yeah, let me know whether feedback either in the comments below or in the Discord. Let me know what you want to see.